Hi everyone, welcome back to Caking at Midnight. Tonight we're going to work on another pretty cake, so let's roll that intro. As always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at caking_at_midnight. And if you like the video this evening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell for notifications. Okay, so tonight we're going to work on another pretty elegant cake. It's going to be pretty easy to do. So the only really things that you need are, I have two different colors of buttercream in a piping bag with a number 12 tip on each one. And I have two different size small palette knives. You don't have to have two different ones. I just have two, and I really like my thinner one, so I have that. So to get started and to make it a little more uniform, we're going to take our buttercream. And you're going to start at the bottom, and you're going to make it just a dollop. Then you're going to take that palette knife, and you can go straight up, you can go at an angle. I'm going to go a little bit at an angle, and you're just going to take that and drag that up the side of the cake. If you have a little bit extra, keep a paper towel handy and wipe that off. You're going to want a clean palette knife every time you do that. What we're going to do with these is alternate our colors. So, and you can change the thickness of your dollop here the more that you squeeze out. So just take this and bring it up. If you don't like it, you can go over it again. You can do a couple colors the same in a row. You can use a bigger tip. Like I said, this is a number 12. They start at itty bitty number 1s and they work their way up. So if this is too big or too small for you on a different look, just take a different size. Now that we have gone all the way around the cake, I'm going to go back around and add in a couple different spots. So like here on the pink, I'm going to add a little bit of purple. And take my smaller knife and kind of drag that up. Now if you have some spots like here that are together, you can go ahead and bring those up as well and kind of merge them together. You can also go back around to give it some depth with some more of that frosting and bring it back up. You can go back around as many times as you like, but I'm going to keep these edges rough because I'm going to add a little bit of gold leaf to them as well. So I will put the link to that gold leaf down below. If you don't have the gold leaf, you can use the Luster Dust with the Everclear. And if you want to see how I did that, you can watch this video up here. So this is the brand of gold leaf that I have been using. I think it's $25 for 10 sheets. There's 10 leaves in there. They're really, really thin, but I'll put the link down below. So what we're gonna do on this is on these rough edges, I'm just gonna take a little bit of the gold leaf and stick them on the edges here. And I had some stick to my paintbrush. That's probably gonna be stuck there. If you've never worked with gold leaf before, please, please take your time. The more you mess with it, the more it crinkles and the more it goes from a sheet to a big ball of nothing. So just be careful with it. So I'm gonna show you here. You saw that a big chunk of it. The more I touch it, see it just gets crumpled up and you've got nothing left. So you've got to be careful with it. Stuck to my thumb. can play with it as much as you want, as little as you want. You don't have to put the gold leaf on there, but I'm gonna go around and add a little bit more detail to it, and then we're gonna add our flowers to the top, and then we'll be all set. I hope you enjoyed the video this evening. If you have any comments, questions, or just plain concerns on what we did this evening, let me know down in the comments. I will do my best at linking everything down below as well. As always, this is Caking at Midnight, and happy caking.